Okay, here's what's in the box. Box comes with the two 7-inch LED headlights, the two fog lights, comes with the full instruction sheet. This one is obviously for the Jeep. In addition to the headlights, they also come with the adapters to get them all connected, and with the fog lights you get the same thing. You get the connection cord cables, so everything should connect right in. We're gonna go see what we're gonna do on the Jeep. So we're gonna install those headlights in my 2008 Jeep Wrangler. All we got to do is remove the grille, replace the lights. The only complication I'm going to have on this one is because of the location of the winch, it's going to be a little trickier to get the grille off, but we'll just kind of slide that out, no problem. Fog lights will eventually go in the recesses down in the bumper. Here we go, let's get started. Okay, so installation going really well. You can see the factory connector there, goes into the adapter that's provided in the kit, goes into the light. The only challenge I have with this whole setup is this connector right here. One is it doesn't have a positive lock, so potentially it could come loose in off-roading use. Secondly, it's not weatherproof. I do take my Jeep off-road into some somewhat harsh conditions where it's definitely bouncy, wet, dusty, and I'm a little worried about that either getting some water or some other contaminant in there, or potentially even coming loose. Easy enough to fix. I'm just going to wrap it with some electrical tape to give it a little bit of better seal and secure it a little bit better. But that's just the one little concern I have with the whole kit. Otherwise, so far, it looks pretty good. And there we go. That should hold it just fine. I did, of course, check the lights, make sure they're working properly before I wrapped it up. But this should hold up good, keep the elements out, keep it connected. So we're all good to go. Okay, getting ready to put in the fog lights. Pretty much straightforward. They all have the exact same 4 connection points. We just bolt them right in. The only difference is that on the factory light, you've got the clip set to where it's just directly on the back of the light where the light fixture is. On the new LEDs, you've got a little bit of a pigtail for it, connects in. The great news is same exact factory connector on both, so from wiring it into the actual Jeep, not a problem. We'll just connect right into there and put them in. Okay, fog light installation, very easy. Manually just go in the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, very simple. Pull them off, put them back in. Connection right into the factory wire connection, nice waterproof seal. Looking good, happy with that, looking good. We got that one in. Got the other one in, all fired up. We did test them before we went in, and good deal. Looking good.